Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. My goodness, what an afternoon it has been. The stock market is down in an early round. Stocks are going down, swinging. It is definitely difficult to watch, but we are still here. We got Outdoor Smile in the chat, man. Keith Kemp, Paul Wright, and Reality Rhino. Where's Frank at? Everybody wants to know where Frank's at. Frank should be coming back here pretty soon. We will open. Let's see what we got going on here. Top left, 16.6. That is Farmy. That is not AMC. We've got AMC top left, 15.76 right now, down 4.34% on the day. Erasing some of the gains that it had earlier and coming back down to these lows around 15.60, 15.70. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 25.78 right now, following Bitcoin in the overall crypto market down this afternoon. Up 3.20% on the day, but still down from where it was earlier. GameStop sitting at 114.74 at the moment, down 2.80% on the day. Prague trading sideways, down 10.5% on the trading day. $1.24 right now. NASDAQ getting brutally beaten right now. NASDAQ, we're looking at this. Yes, we are falling down through this line right here, and we may be looking out for another roughly, at this point, less than 10% decline now. But from the 13.3 that we were at, we might be looking at another 10% decline in the NASDAQ, taking us all the way down to 12,000 points per coin, if it's strictly technicals that are holding it up at this point in the game. We've got Sundial. Was green on the day, now it is red, sitting at $2.27, down 51.14 Farmy sitting at 16.66 right now. 1666. Oh my goodness, what a number. So we're going to have to see what happens here, guys. But we are down at the moment. We will make it through. Tomorrow will hopefully be a better day. Devil's Advocate, yo, let's be clear. They're not going down and swinging. They got knocked down, and they knew themselves a blanket to get cozy. They're not fighting back in the slightest. It does seem that way, doesn't it? It seems like they're very, very comfortable down right now. It seems like they're just enjoying themselves, going on a little vacation, and they don't want to come back at the moment. Evening from the UK. David, good evening, my friend. Glad to have you in here. Drop the anvil on Wile E. Coyote. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. I don't have an anvil, though. Otherwise, I would. Do you recommend any other projects other than Shiba? Yeah, so, David, listen. Here's going to be my recommendation right now on crypto projects, right? Be careful. Why? I'm putting a very strong emphasis on Bitcoin in the $30,000 mark. I would not... Listen, I don't even think I'm going to hold any crypto beyond... That's including Shiba Inu coin, right? If Bitcoin falls through that $30,000 mark, I really don't think that I'm going to be holding any crypto unless I'm holding Zcash that I've had for over 5 years. Bitcoin falling through 30 is going to be extremely significant because if it does, we're not going to have any major resistance until we potentially see all the way back down to $10,000, $11,000, maybe $12,000 per coin. This is the major resistance or major support that we've got here, and we could be retesting it. I mean, you guys can see barely a little blip in this area in the 20s. But this is the major next level that we have. So it could go for a huge decline if the world economy continues in the direction that it's going right now. So do I recommend any other projects right now? Sure. If Bitcoin holds above 30,000, I have no problem with a lot of coins out there, man. All of the major coins. As far as coins that are beaten down, I'm looking at Spell and I'm looking at Smooth Love Potion. Those two have been beaten down pretty well lately, and they've also got some pretty big platforms with market caps over $1 billion, and Smooth Love Potion also integrated into Axie Infinity. So it does have a lot going on, but I guess it depends on what you're looking for. You're just looking for another big coin like Ethereum? I'd get in Ethereum all day long. Solana, I like Solana's growth over the last year, so there's a ton of different projects, but as far as like little meme coins, I'd be a little skeptical of those right now too, man. Pretty dangerous time to really get into anything unless these levels hold up. So that's the major thing we got to look for is to see if these levels hold up. AMC 1568 right now. What do we got? Do you remember? Okay, so that's Putin isn't stupid. He waited for maybe. I don't exactly know what's going on. If there's anything today. Hello, everybody. Yes. What a close. What a close. I'm telling you, JJ. Dude, it is tough. Here's the thing, and I'm being completely honest with you guys. Okay, I'm being completely honest. I personally feel like it's got, and this is my feeling. Right? Don't make any investment decisions on my feelings. But I personally feel like we are nearing at least a shorter term bottom. Why? I feel a lot of people are getting the desire to sell. I feel like a lot of people are getting the desire to give up. And I feel like a lot of people are ready to quit. So if that's the case, we could actually be entering or nearing a bottom. Whether it is the bottom, I don't know. Could turn out to be a short-term bottom and we get a nice bounce. But I do feel like there's a lot of fear going on out there. I always like Cliff's videos. Frodo, thank you. I missed the peach. My client came early. How rude. Oh my goodness. Lauren with another peach. Guys, close your eyes. This one's for Lauren and Lauren only. And Lauren, you can touch if you want. Oh, very fuzzy peach. Lauren, thank you very much for the peach. Appreciate that super sticker. And yes, you're more than welcome to reach out and touch that peach if you want. Luca Tony, 6-month member chat. Thank you very much. Saitama will rock it soon. I hope so, man. I hope so. For everybody that's in Saitama, I want all of the projects to go up, not go down. I do not own any Saitama, so I have no interest in that going up. But I do know there's a lot of people out there that want to see it go up. Let's see that peach, Frodo. You got that peach, man. You got that peach. Guys, a lot of Shiba followers. Impressive. Shred up. Thank you, man. I was like, this video perfect. What's your opinion on Spell? Listen, I like Spell and I like Smooth Love Potion. Not only because they have a lot of upside potential to reach their all-time highs that they were at, but Spell could be very cool with its staking platform and offering 30+% interest just for staking your Spell. So I do like that part of it. Aside from the staking rates and things like that, like where its market cap is, where its price has been, and where it's at now, I don't know much beyond that about Spell though. I got more prog today. Told myself I wouldn't until I paid off my trip to Europe, but here we are. Don't tell Joel. I will not, unless of course Joel is listening during the live stream, and I happen to say something like, "Oh, Devil's Advocate, how's it feel to have more prog today?" And then she's like, "Yeah, just hopping in. Missed the first live. Vikings had me completely zoned out. I was gonna ask how we were doing with still red and still no squeeze." Chris, it is true, man. We are still red, and we're very deep in the red, and still. No squeeze, man. It is okay, though. It is okay. Why? Because we could be here tomorrow. Lauren, yes. Lauren's like, all right, that peach was worth it. Thank you very much for the super chat. And tell your client next time, man. Don't be messing around like that coming early. Who does that kind of stuff? Bought a bit more AMC today. Couldn't help myself. Anybody else add today? Anybody else? I'm not going to lie. I feel like, not AMC or Shiba or anything, but I do feel like I'm sitting right there on the edge, man. Like, should I stay or should I go? And I'm like, well, I don't know. If I feel that way, I feel like we got to be nearing a bottom. It must be because I don't talk during the break, but like I come in here and I start talking and then my nose starts itching. So I know that I got to shave my mustache or something. I got to clean this up because it's itching my nose when I talk like this. 333,000 holders inside Sama, and also their wallet is getting enabled soon. Luke and Tony, let me know though, because I don't know. Their wallet, man. Their wallet hasn't that been getting enabled for months now? I'm not sure. You know, if you get any more insight on that, let me know, because I swear people have been talking about their wallet for months. Danelle, hello Clay and Clay Rose. Good afternoon, Danelle. Glad to see you made this live stream. She's not. She's busy at the bank, breadwinning. Boom. Now that's what I'm talking about, Devil's Advocate. Then I got nothing to worry about today or tomorrow. Today or tomorrow, the wallet? Oh, dude, if that's the case, very good. I hope it does, because I know people have been worried about that for quite some time. What's the crack, bro? What's the crack, Connor? What's going on, man? This is my Irish friend right here. What's the crack, man? What's the crack? Lauren, do you know about that Irish slang? What's the crack? I never heard of that. It's dangerous, man. If I ask somebody around here what's the crack, I might get an answer. I don't want to. Hello, Dano. What's up, all? Dark Blade, what's going on, man? What do we got here? AMC sitting at 1571, 5 minutes into the close. We got down 4.65% right now. Shiba Inu coin, 2580, down up 3.30% on the day. GameStop, down 2.80% of the day, sitting at 114.76. Prague, down 10.7%. Yeah, 10.7 now. It was 10.7 a second ago. 10.7% of the day at $1.25. NASDAQ, bleeding to death. 13.35 low on the day, 13.48 right now, down 2.5%. My goodness. Farmy sitting at 16.63 right now. Could be falling. It's got a little red candle there. We're going to have to see where it goes. We've got Sundial sitting at 51.02, falling off into the close. Was it 52? All the way down to 51. Has it flattened out? Nobody knows. Everything is falling off the darn cliff. Oh, woe is me. Will we ever recover? We will recover, guys. We will recover. I'm not worried about that. Where we at here? About a little bit of everything, because the markets always tank before war, but when it fully breaks out, the markets go crazy. Sad but true, and crypto will follow. Lewis, you think we're going, man? You think we're going to start something up? I hope not, but I hope not. But I have no idea, man. I don't have any say. I don't have any control. That's democracy for you, right? All good, bros. How's yourself? Connor, I'm doing good, man. Now it's for sure all bugs been fixed. Look at Tony, I hope you're right, Lucatoni. The crack is what you're purposely step on when your mother crosses you one too many times, man. Oh, no. You break your back, man. You break your back. Mom crossed me again. I'm going to step on that crack. Oh, hey, Clay. So I noticed you didn't speak about our synthetics yet, and we're down like 4%, so let's do this, Leroy. Dude, I did speak about synthetics, man. I swear I've said the word synthetics in like every single video for the last week. Chicken Little says the sky is falling, and I just keep buying the dips. I like it, man. I like it. Fact, though, I did have a bird named Chicken Little growing up. Yes, I say, what's the crack also? It means what's going on. How does Lauren know this? Lauren, how do you know this? Oh, my gosh. I also say it now with my Irish friends. So, can I say it with you, Lauren? What's the crack? What's the crack, Lauren? Oh, my gosh. This is weird. I mean, Lauren, if I ask you what the crack is, don't take it the wrong way. I'm asking you about what's the crack, you know? Good, bro. Connor, nice. Lauren, my UK friend. I don't know if you're my Irish friend. Not you, Danelle, Joel. Gosh, everybody's got an L name. You can call me Clay L. Darkblade, thank you very much for the super chat. Darkblade says AMA, as long as it's about bone, leash, shibochis. Yes. Ask me anything if it's not about Shiba Inu. Listen, I know how brutal the internet can be, and I think that the Shiba Army got to Milkshake on Twitter last night because she was out there tweeting that, I just wanted to open up discussion, and I saw a lot of hateful comments about, what was said at the Ask Me Anything. Dude, people on the internet are going to be mean. I don't know anybody on the internet that's nice except for you guys, and they got to realize that. Yes, read the room. If you're going to be doing an Ask Me Anything, let people ask you anything. Even if they don't like your answers, at least they will feel like they were allowed to ask them. That's my opinion. Because I can't give you an answer that you're going to like and they're going to like. That's impossible. Not everybody's going to agree on the answer. But at least you acknowledged the question, answered it to the best of your ability, and didn't blow it off. That's an Ask Me Anything. At the same time, dude, if you're good at answering questions, you can answer it and, I guess, put the focus on how you want to spin the question, right? So the person asking the question feels justified, and you can still give an answer that you feel justified in. I feel like you can do that. But I don't know, man. These people are starting to get pretty harsh since Shiba's been going down for a couple months, and trust me. AMC's been going down for a couple months too, and I know how people feel when investments are going down. In America, Clay, people say what's cracking, it's all the same. Yeah, man, but I feel if I ask you where the crack is at or what the crack is, I don't know, man. I don't know. It just hits different when I ask you where it is or what it is. I know Well, I know what it is and where it is. I feel weird asking you. Cleo sounds like Clay's angel name or perhaps his anime character. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. I had a duck named Elvis when I was a kid. Hubba hubba. What? Oh gosh. If you try to please everyone, you would just make it. Yes. CD Wit, man, that's true. That is true. You gotta stay true to yourself if you want to please anybody at all. Rocket. Thank you very much for the super chat. Bag holder. The bag holder. Yeah. I'm not holding a bag on AMC. I actually got into AMC early enough on that I'm not holding a bag on it. But literally like everything else right. Oh my god, everything is dying. What's the crack? Is typical Manchester. I thought it was Irish. Now what is it? What's the crack? Gosh, I feel so cool. What's the crack, man? I feel so cool asking that. Didn't say crack Connor. Crypto Rocketeer. Yes, that's how he said it. But what's the crack is how he said to pronounce it. Right. Darkblade, I feel like our army numbers got decimated last night. Lots of FUD created from that AMA. Bummer. Darkblade, I agree. Clearly, the Shiba army is wanting to go in the direction of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, right? Building everything up around it. And I get it that there could be a long-term strategy to that, to see Shiba Inu coin grow as well. But what they may or may not understand is that, oh, dude, everybody's got such a short attention span and a short-term focus on watching their investments grow. And when somebody takes a long-term approach to things, people get salty about that. And I think that's what they're experiencing right now is a lot of salty people with short-term focuses on how to take Shiba Inu coin back up to the prices that it was. And they're taking a long-term approach. So even if they just acknowledge that, I feel like people would be better off about it, you know? Clay, trying to be cool. What's the crack? What? Pulls out a badge, undercover police. You're coming with us. You have the right to remain silent. No, man, I knew it. Where's the crack, man? Where's the crack? Oh, God. Going to jail now. Darn it, man. I asked the wrong person. Does anyone else remember that at the end of the first AMA, Satoshi swore that all future projects would have burn functions? Yes. I do remember that. And I believe they did say all future projects except for the game are going to have that. I know they said the game's not going to have burn mechanisms in it. But one of the reasons they said that is because all future projects are going to be built on Shibarium, on this level 2 blockchain. And in some way, I'm going to assume that all transactions are going to have a burn mechanism. So I feel like that's why everything will have a burn integrated with it, because it's going to have a tax or something along those lines. Ah, Lauren's dangerous, isn't it? I'm telling you. Lauren, what's crack-a-lackin'? Yes, Shaman King. You need to buy it. Don't miss. 1, 2, tree is 1, 2, 3 in Ireland. 1, 2, 1, 2, tree? 1, 2, tree? Well, like 2-year-olds say tree here, so it's okay. I don't like being lied to. Shitsu Inu, nobody likes being lied to. Hey, porque soy pobre todavía? ¿Dónde está el crack? Where is the crack? Lewis, I do not know, man. I do not know. And you're not poor, dude. You're not poor. You're doing great. You're here. Therefore, you're not poor. Big Money has been selling everything for 10 weeks. Wake up. All their money is funneling into short positions. World War could be coming, man. I'm not going to lie. You know, that could be around the corner. But I don't know if they're funneling everything into shorts. It's a possibility. But it is obvious that we've been experiencing, you know, sell-offs for the last 10 weeks. I do agree on that part, like, wholeheartedly. Everything's been selling off since then. I didn't see AMC going to Finland. Oh, man, I did not. Salvatore Piazza. No, dude. We just keep getting hit left and right with world news that's just destructive. You're the man, bro. Hey, yo, Papo, you're the man. The crack is trending. The crack is trending, Connor. The crack is trending, man. We got to get this trending for real. Prague on a short sale list tomorrow. We mooned, thank God. Nice, dude. Nice. I'm so glad it's on that short sale rule has commenced and nobody's going to be shorting anything. Everything will have a burn. You'll see. You'll be okay. It's Devil's Advocate. Yeah. Everything's going to have a burn. You're going to be good, man. 3,300 and 30 tree. Is this true? Did you say that? 3,330 tree. Do you say that? Not just you, but most people. I know I missed something. T-shirt. Let's crack. Let's do it. Does that even make sense? I don't know. Rush could be bluffing. I think there will be. I hope there's not, Ayo Papo. I hope everybody's just bluffing and we just all walk away. We start to, like, we just... Just calm down. I mean, Putin can tell Biden he's tough. Biden can tell Putin he's tough. Nobody cares. Just turn around, walk away, and it'll be okay. They can be mad for a couple days and then just focus on something else. It'll be all right. I'm telling you, it'll be all right, man. Like when your mom told you to just take a deep breath, count to 3, walk away. These guys just need to take a deep breath and walk away. It'll be okay. See the picture of Biden before and after. That I did not see, Shredder. My dude is bilingual. Clay's the man. Lewis. Never man. I don't know any other languages. Are we still hodl? Nufo. I am still hodl. Yes, man. Good morning, Zachariah. Good morning to you. I don't know if it's morning anywhere except in Hawaii right now. Let them sell off. We buy. Roland Diamond. Hand it, baby. I thought you said it burnt. Me? I did not say that. I was not me. Maybe Devil's Advocate said something. Don't panic. I found the crack. I'm sitting on it. There you go, Frodo. Finally found the crack. I was worried about it. What I miss? How's everyone doing? John Maxwell, you missed nothing, man. We're doing good, though. So, should I YOLO prog? Devil's Advocate will say yes. Clearly not financial advice. I will say, man, sure, go for it. If you're feeling like YOLO, go ahead, go YOLO. Nah, Rocket, I took antibiotics. It's fun. It's gone, man. It's gone. There you go. Market won't crash. Reality Rhino, I sure hope not. Yeah, bro. We don't pronounce the TH. None of them? How do you say the? How do you say the, Connor? Tuh? I don't get it. Because of all work breaks, other crypto and stocks will be down, but I doubt it. I hope not. Plus, it's just going to be annoying, man. I like the Irish accent, but I'm not going to lie. I struggle to understand when it's a strong one. Lauren, I'm not going to lie. I struggle to understand when you say things like I was sitting at the urinal drinking an aluminum can of soda and thinking about a cheeky little Muppet. What was the word for stealing my tea leaves? What was the word you used for stealing that one time? I don't remember what it was, but I'm not gonna lie, Lauren. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. Your slang is awesome. All my best friends, Peek and Danelle. Danelle's in here. I don't know if I've seen Peaky yet. Let's see here. Our rounds are already being sent. Rounds. I don't know. Russian torture. Just put glass rock. Dude, you guys are ridiculous. Bro, what time is it? JJ, I think I know what time it is. D. What to crack? What to crack, man? What to crack? Like and subscribe, y'all. Listen to John Maxwell. You missed talking on serial killers and scaring Pika and how many of us know like them. Yeah, man, we did mess up doing that, dude. We did mess. Pika will come back, though, I promise. Tea leaf, yes. What was it, though? Theft. Yeah. Is a tea leaf the thief? Did you get a little tea leaf? I forget that sentence. Because it doesn't make any sense to me. I forget that sentence though. Outdoor smile. Then she's going to miss all the murders. That's on her. It is, man. JJ. Nope. I don't know what's going on with this phone. JJ, it's time to get hard. Like a diamond. JJ, thank you very much for the super chat. Anybody else out there hard like a diamond right now? I know you have to be. JJ, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. Shibarium will be a game changer. Not wolfing till then. A long game for me. Holding. Very nice. I do think Shibarium, any level 2 blockchain is going to be much better than level 1. Prediction for AMC tomorrow. Well, dude, hopefully the NASDAQ rebounds and we've got some uptrends beginning. Hey, bro, one thing that is me on my toes is that if these people don't get it together, probably a lot of people from the Shiba Inu will start migrating to other coins. But yeah, Axelrod, I think a lot of people already have migrated, man. I think the Shiba army is here for a while. I don't think that, you know, we're just going to leave. But I do agree with you in the sense that being on social media is one thing, and just posting thing after thing after thing after thing, and, you know, exciting people, okay? It's another thing. Let's equate these AMAs to like a press conference, okay? It's another thing to put on a press conference and please the people with their answers. I think they'll get better at that, okay? I think they'll get better at that. They need to realize all eyes are on them. All eyes really are on them when it comes to Shiba Inu coin. Dude, they got mainstream media writing articles every day. They got YouTubers pumping videos every day. They got people all over Twitter, you know, watching their every move and every tweet, retweeting it, and so on. All eyes are on them at all hours of the day. And it's tough. It's tough. And I don't think they have the practice of you know, being live, fielding questions, and things like that. They'll get better at it, though. They'll get better. Even if they don't switch their narrative up at all and they still continue to pump the ecosystem, I think that they'll get better at fielding these questions. Or if they want me to field the questions, hey, man, I don't know, just hook me up with some Shiboshis and Leash and Shi and Bone so I can partake in the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem, and I'll be glad to field your questions for you. Let's see. Oh, and I saw Marine Corps Brat in the live stream last night. She was here, and then she got really mad when she realized that it was Shiba Inu coin. Ask me anything, and she left. I felt bad. The thumbs up on shot. Yeah, that's all it is, man. It's a thumbs up. Crypto computer's almost burning. It just lit up. Time to burn some crypto. Let's go, Patrick. CB, we are so far behind on hikes. I don't know if you can hold out. People are gonna go crazy over inflation. I feel like people have already gone crazy over inflation. I see inflation getting worse, though. I'm not going to lie, man. I see inflation getting worse than where it's at right now. Hardest bag of hammers holding. Very nice. Will they get better? Connor, I hope so. I hope so. I hope they get better. A tea leaf is a thief. I usually say, you little tea leaf, because that's just the way I roll. God, I love it. I love it, man. It makes no sense to me, but I love it. Dude, Lauren's a sneaky little tea leaf, man. Lauren's a sneaky little tea leaf for sure. I know she is. I'm thinking of getting rid of social media. I'm pretty sure my quality of life will be better with that. Mark Crypto. Guarantee it will be, man. I guarantee it will be. I haven't been on Facebook since like 2015. And then honestly, before I started posting anything on YouTube, I didn't do anything at all. Like no Instagram, no Snapchat, no Twitter, no like any social media whatsoever. And yes, I can guarantee you your I don't know, how'd you put it? Your quality of life, man. I guarantee it improves. I can guarantee you it improves. I don't know if it's going to be like, you know, rainbows and butterflies are fantastic, but it will be better, man. And YouTube, I'm cool with YouTube, but then you got to post your videos on Twitter then. You got to do it. So I kind of got roped back into it a little bit, but yeah, I guarantee you're right, Mark. Oh, $7 a gallon. I'm waiting for $8, man. I think it's going to go to $8 a gallon. She was here and saw a Shiba get really mad and left. On brand. Dude, she really did, though. Like, she was here. She was excited. She's like, hey, Clay, bro, I'm here. And I'm like, Marine Corps, Brad, I'm so excited. And she's like, is this going to be a Shiba Inu coin stream? And I'm like, yeah, it's an Ask Me Anything. And then I don't even think she said bye. My French brother-in-law says, tea leaf for thief. This got to be a European thing, man. It's got to be a European thing. I don't like tea leaves, okay? I mean, if Lauren's a tea leaf, I like tea leaves. But in general, I don't like tea leaves. At the end, we love the community, but I think we are all investors and need to understand that they want some kind of return. What do you think, Shiba Army forever? Yeah, dude, yeah, everybody does want a return. I don't even know if I'd venture to call everybody investors these days. Because everybody really does have like a very short-term mentality, man. And I personally think that a longer-term mentality is needed if you're going to be in the stock market and even in crypto. But yeah, I think we're going to be fine. as these people grow and learn and fall into their places. It's going to be good. Delete my Facebook. My wife just texted me birthday. There you go, 10D, man. What do you have to worry about? If you don't know somebody's birthday, somebody will tell you it's their birthday. I get a Twitter account to get my Clay Bro shirt. Now I have 93 followers. Nice. Danelle with 93. Danelle's almost got more followers on Twitter than I do. Danelle, my gosh. Somebody grabbed something pretty cool, Clay. Found that one of the oil companies up here in North Dakota has a couple 45-foot shipping containers on their oil well location. And they're full of ASIC miners running, off the wells gas. Nice, John. I don't know how they're converting it to energy, right? But I do know that there's like a burn-off at these refineries. I don't know if that's like a similar thing or not. But yeah, dude, if they're using some cheap gas, if they're using some cheap oil or whatever they got, natural gas, whatever they're mining up there, dude, that's an excellent thing, because they're going to be making money mining that if their electricity or their energy is a low cost. All the Shib bites come out of the woodwork for these AMAs, but they don't come for your daily live stream. What number do we get to? The highest I saw, I don't remember what the highest was that came on after the stream. The highest I saw was like 12.3 or something. So I don't know what it actually went up to during the stream. Yeah, where are they today, man? Where are they today? Only the bros remain. JB's right on that one. Only the bros remain. I don't know where all these people went yesterday. Yeah, man, not trashing on said individual, but I'm fairly sure they aren't around anymore because of a debate I had with them, because how we need to not be AMC purists and include everyone here. Yeah, dude, I really think that, I really do think that you should be included here, even if you don't like AMC or GameStop or Shiba Inu coin. You should be hanging out here. It's the place to be, man. It's the place to be. I mean, Chris, even if Chris can get along with everybody in here, everybody can get along with everybody in here. Maybe we should start building the pipeline again in the U.S. Dude, possibly. We've probably already got enough going on in here. I don't know the whole thing on that. I don't know enough about it. Click. I loved this stock. Enter midstream. Oh my gosh. I loved this stock. Enter midstream. Still do. I don't know what Enter is, man. I don't know what Enter is. They run off natural gas generators. Dang, dude. I need some of those, man. I need to line some shipping containers full of ASICs and just mine the crap out of these coins. You think people in general understand crypto has nothing to do with the stock market economy? It's a completely different economic system. No. Mark, in general, no. I don't think the people differentiate between the two. Clay, why won't you king me like in checkers? Shredder, I don't even know what that means, dude. If that's some weird slang, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. If it's not some weird slang and I just have no idea what you're talking about, I'm sorry. Market comment. Okay, let's not jump to extremes here and act like we all enjoy Chris, Clay. We do all enjoy Chris, man. Let's see what we got going on after hours right now. AMC up slightly at 15.76. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 25.88 right now. GameStop down very, very slightly, sitting at 114.70. Prague up slightly after hours, sitting at $1.25. The NASDAQ closed today at 1337.49. We've got Farmy sitting at 1675 after hours there. Very nice. And Sundial bouncing a little after hours as well, sitting at 51.37. Hopefully after hours proves to be very good for everybody in the market right now. I'm off, people. I hope you have a great day. Connor, you as well, man. Enjoy your crack. Biden gave Russia the upper hand when he halted the Keystone Pipeline. Maybe, man, maybe. I don't know. Part 1. I believe in general, though, they are tied, seeing as largely people use them as a barter type system, trade and buy and sell at a better price. I'd say they're connected, like Prague and AMC. Well, listen, it depends what people are using it for. Like, using it as a store of value and so on, yes. Using some coins as currencies, I mean, it's still financial, it's still money, and still investments, yes, but they are different systems. But similarities, money goes where money grows, and money goes where it feels safe. Right now, money is going where it feels safe. It doesn't feel safe in the stock market, it doesn't feel safe in crypto. That's why you're seeing both of them decline. Let's see here. I meant to say Antero midstream. God, still don't get Antero, dude. Still don't get it. Ayo Papo. Still don't get Antero, man, but I like it. Have nothing to do with each other, but they're both stocks. Is that wrong to think, Clay? Would you agree crypto and stocks are... So I would agree that crypto and stocks are tied together in the fact that they're both investment vehicles. You know, you can grow your money in crypto. You can grow your money in stocks. Stocks, you're buying a company. You're buying ownership in a company. Crypto, you're not doing that. You're buying part of like a currency. You're buying part of, it's not a company, man. It's different. You're really buying nothing, and it's a much more speculative asset to buy crypto because there's no ownership, right? If it goes bankrupt, they're not going to be selling off assets to satisfy their debtors and their equity. So yes, there are major differences, but also people use them as investment vehicles to grow their worth. So I can go both ways. Let's see. Mark, I agree crypto should be less impacted by cultural and world issues. Adler, very nice, man. I don't like cultural and world issues impacting my money whatsoever, but it happens. Smash the like button, listen to Danelle. Did you change your mind on doing a Scrooge coin video? What? No. I didn't. I don't think the Scrooge coin guys ever emailed me back though. I don't think they ever emailed me back, man. Clay, I had to uninstall my Twitter. I knew there was a reason I was hesitant to get an account in the first place. JB, man. Yeah. I don't blame you, dude. I don't blame you. It's a crazy world out there. Basically like Reddit. And I don't know. Sometimes I enjoy it. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't. Pantera. Everyone needs to just listen to some Pantera. Do it and eat at Panera while you're listening to Pantera. Right, but people largely are buying the opportunity to sell for more. Dude, I was in BBIG for a long time before even knowing it was Vinco Ventures. People don't care about what's behind the ticker. Correct. Some people don't care. Some people do care. If you do care, then a stock is completely different. If you don't care, all you want to do is see that line go up. The line can go up or down on crypto. The line can go up or down on stocks. And in that regard, yes. I mean, those are investment vehicles in that regard. And all you want to do is see your money grow. I just want memes, honestly. Memes are good things, man. Memes make people happy. It's a crazy world, Mark. It absolutely is, man. Absolutely is. To that, I say, let's get started. Devil's Advocate, let's go, man. Let's get started. Gold will be going up, and crypto will follow. Moonshine. Gold could go up, yes. But crypto following? I don't know, man. I don't know. Gold might go up 10%. Crypto might go up 100%. So... See how Scrooge said he followed through and was waiting on you to follow through on your email. What the heck? That's weird because I'm 99.9% positive that I emailed them back because, yes, they did email me. And I said I would be willing to do a video basically going over the basics and covering all of the, like, the numbers and what Scrooge Coin is doing and things like that. And that... I can get it done in a relatively short period of time, man, because I don't really edit all my videos and things like that, and I don't think that they gave me the go-ahead to do it, because I want to know, like, if they need me to send them the video to see it before I post it, or things like that, and I never saw an email, because I've been going through my emails pretty good over the last, like, 4 days, and I'm caught up, so I don't know if I haven't seen one, let's put it that way. I will miss listening to Devil's Advocate sing in the car. I might need to log in just for that. Yes, JB. He could send you those videos, directly to you if you'd like. So, what do the masses think? Because this is all sociology. Because, let's be real, what you think means absolutely nothing as far as trading goes. It's all herd mentality. Like, if everyone thinks crypto and stocks are tied, then they are tied no matter what fundamental truths are. Yes. I mean, you are correct, dude. Honestly, it doesn't matter what I think. That's why stock could have great news and it can still go down. But I don't know. I don't know what the masses think, because you say, are they tied? I don't know if they're tied, and I don't know if the masses think they're tied. Like, if the stock market goes up, then crypto goes up. If the stock market goes down, crypto goes down, like tied in that way, or a different way. See, that I don't know. That I don't know what everybody thinks. Sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't. I don't know. That is exactly right. Let's see. I wonder what currency Russia will use whenever they cut them off from the international banking system. I have no idea. Shitoshi, a Shiba Inu announcement will be made soon that will be remembered forever and ever. What did you... There's no way he said that, man. There's no way this dude said that, right? You're just yanking my chain. Where did he say that, man? I don't see that anywhere. I hope he didn't say that. I don't see that on Twitter anywhere. Like, everyone thinks crazy. I saw that. Almond Joy. Almond Joy's got nuts. Yeah, mounds don't. There you go, man. They got almonds in the Almond Joys. Critical thinking is a learned skill. Yes, it is. I am now looking at about 30,000 between Bitcoin and Shiba and Saitama. It will all come back. Davy Crockett. Yeah, man, it's just when. That's the question that nobody wants to stick around for, is the when will it come back. Everybody always gets nervous before the when takes place. Paul, you got it. I like it, JB. My D-list karaoke is always here for you. Yeah, you're going to have to start sending texts in the morning, man. Let's see. At this point, I don't remember the original question, so I can't double that. I can't either, man. I can't either. Saitama is a lot. I hope not. I hope not, because there's some people with Saitama in here. I don't have Saitama, though. Think about it. They still have to do business. They will use cryptocurrency like Venezuela. Be wise. It's possible, man. It's possible. I have no idea what they're going to do. I have no idea if they're going to remain cut off. Like I say, everybody should just take a deep breath and walk away. And I mean everybody. You want that Mullen Overly short exempt stock? Check it out. Yeah, you're Mellow Mamas. You're talking about Mullen Automotive, right? I think that's what you're talking about. I looked at that earlier. Yeah. No, I don't have this, but I did add this to my watch list yesterday or 2 days ago. Something pretty interesting, man. The CEO sent I don't know where that news article... Oh, okay. Mullen Automotive issues a letter to shareholder saying they have no idea why their stock's going down. So, clearly, they don't have any idea, but... It's been going down drastically. It was $15, and now it's sitting at like 60 cents. Yeah, it's sitting at 61 cents today. It was up at 80 cents pre-market today. So if you guys want to get into something extremely volatile, it's at 88 cents this morning before you even woke up, and now it's sitting at 61 cents. Dude, it could be back at 90 cents tomorrow, 50% gain, and back down. Options? God, it makes it even more dangerous. There you go. If you guys want to live life on the edge, check out MULN. CBG going to give us something. It's you guys, we're stuck here until we are not. So we're waiting. But a perfect example, man. We are stuck here until we are not. I like it. I can agree with that. Adler. Good deal. Don't know if it was something I said or something somebody else said. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. It works, guys. It works. Is Pika gone because I brought up the serial killer topic? Is the second woman I've run out from the stream? Bro, Clay, my bad. Nah, man, she'll be back. I don't know where she went. She's gonna come back. Dragon this consists exempt your sticky tongue out on exhale. Totally relaxing. Shredder knows all about it. Clay, have you tried the straddle strategy with options? David, I'm not a huge options player. I'm not a huge trader in general, man. So, no, I don't do a ton of options. I know a lot about the different strategies that you can do. I read about options and things like that, but I don't do a lot of trading. That's the link? Khalid, I think I might have missed the link, man. I'm not sure if links actually show up in my Streamlabs, so I don't think I saw that there. I don't know, bro, but I'm all in right now, holding 230 million Shiba coins, ready to get more. Be wise. Nice, dude. Nice. I think he's talking about things my dare officer told me to never do. I don't partake in. Oh man, good. Devil's advocate. Wait, Queenie said that he said that right at the end. Oh yeah, I believe they're partnering with Forever 21. Shitsu Inu, yeah. I wrote that down at the end of the live stream last night. I don't know why Shitoshi had to chime in, but he said something is coming. The last time he said that, and it was wellies, people got mad, so hopefully something is coming. Does anyone in the company that has made a cure for, probably Pfizer or Moderna at this point, we tell little or older patients to breathe like this. Smell the roses, blow out the candles. Dang, Missy. Was a lot of candles that I blew out, but I liked it. Any insight on government regulation on crypto? Moon, at this point, no. So I haven't heard anything. I thought they were supposed to have a press conference next week at some point. So I don't know. I don't have any updates on that right now. It's positive news. Steve Cooper announced that Shiba Fit app is in the works. Yes, I did see that. I believe he said that he spent $20,000 trying to get that bad boy up and running. And Shitoshi even sent a tweet out to him. Dude, Shitoshi like blocking comments now on tweets so that only the people that he tagged in the comments can leave comments on it. I don't know, man. People they don't like to deal with the haters and the trolls. Well, with Shy's tweet, with being well dressed is a dead giveaway in my opinion, meaning something in the clothes department. Yeah, David, most likely. So I know you guys are looking at the tweet that Shib token sent out maybe last week now. And you guys have, I'm sure, seen all the pictures surrounding that. So it is going to be something fashion-oriented. If it's not, then they're just dropping ridiculous hints. But, yeah, it's going to be something fashion-oriented. Does the Facebook price coincide with the Shiba price? Brian, I would say no. Fun fact, I won the Dare written essay contest. Nice. Devil's advocate. Good kid, man. Good kid. Blow on hot lava lamp for luck. Gosh, it's hot. All right. Hopefully we get some good luck coming in there, man. I don't know if that's going to work or not. Lauren. Oh, is that what they say? I thought they said eat the roses. My bad. She's just a little tea leaf, man. She's just a little tea leaf. JB did that in Twitter. Made mad. I don't even know what is going on right now. Jack's maybe. Gosh, I don't even know what's going on anymore. All right, chat reset and go. Sneaky little tea leaf stole my heart. AMC sitting up slightly after hours right now. $15.78. Shiba Inu coin $25.75. GameStop doing nothing. 114.69 down. Couple cents on the day after hours trading. Prog sitting at $1.27, trying to bounce back up. Farmy sitting up after hours. 16.80 is where Farmy is at right now, and Sundial flat after hours, sitting at 51.01. Man, getting black. We're gonna be back in the 40s for Sundial here in a minute. My goodness, gotta love these declines, guys. Gotta love these declines. Let's see. Rip Pika Power finally broke. No. Pika Power's going to be back, guys. She's just probably chilling right now. JBSP's did a lot of comments. Oh, yes. There you go. Yeah. Now I understood. Glad you brought that back for me. Do you really think the March 3rd thing is going to be our catalyst like Lou speaks up? Brad, no. And please, if you are using it as a catalyst, great. If you need some hope. But if it doesn't happen, please do not think that the squeeze is just over and done for. and all of that. It just needs to wait until the shorts cover it. Doesn't matter if it's March 3rd or June 3rd or July 3rd. That's for not giving me a crown. I don't even know what to give it. Oh, that's Pika Power giving you the crown. Gotcha. Danelle, I shopped there. What did Danelle rip on? Forever 21, isn't that impressive? Unless... Nice. Devil's Advocate shops there. I guess that's you, man. I guess that's you. Oh, faux show. Oh, you guys, everybody's loving Danelle now. Yes. Brad, I have heard that 50X today. What the heck? The signal of March 3rd. Significance of March 3rd. Oh, yeah, Missy. So... with all of the new transparency that is supposed to be hitting the stock market, compliments of Gary Gensler and the SEC, the hedge funds are going to have to start reporting their short shares at more frequent intervals. And because of this, there's another YouTuber out there, a guy that's, I don't know, pretty active on Twitter, saying that all of this needed to take place and the hedge funds have to expose their short positions by March 3rd. Now, he was stating that by March 3rd, all of the synthetics will be brought to light. Okay? And then they started to claim that, well, maybe not all the synthetics are going to be brought to light. They're just going to hit the erase button on all the synthetics that are out there. And then they're going to bring some other synthetics to light. And if it doesn't happen by March 3rd, so March 3rd is like the line in the sand for them. And they're saying that whatever is exposed on March 3rd is exposed. Whatever is not exposed on March 3rd is just going to disappear like it never happened. So they're putting a lot of significance on this March 3rd date. And they said if it doesn't happen by March 3rd, we're screwed, it's over, and it's not going to happen. I disagree with that. So that's the March 3rd thing. Isn't March 3rd Justin Bieber's birthday? The market always soars on JB's birthday. Heather Gray, I have no idea when Justin Bieber's birthday is, man. No idea. In my defense, I'm still basically 21. So yes, you are, man. We are all forever 21. Don't ask. I shop with my wife. I've seen a lot of interesting stuff out there. Just saying. Shredder likes it. That's where they sell human blow-up pants. This is a thing? Shredder, this is a thing, man? I don't know if that's a thing or not. Danelle's friends. Nice. Danelle and Reality Rhino just became best friends. Perfect. The last time that happened, the person never came back. So Danelle, be careful, please. Please be careful. I didn't realize how to date. We've had so many darn catalysts. Putting too much clout in any is stupid. Missy, I'm glad you have that mentality because yes, there's another date floating around out there right now, and it's the end all be all. So there you go. 21. I wish. Try 71. Davy Crockett. You don't feel like 71, man. It's all right. I just want people to wake up and realize that crypto is our access to real, true freedom. All the founding fathers of America knew one day would come when the banks will control. That's all. Be wise. It is a truly decentralized platform, so yes, I do think that there's more freedom associated with that. However, it's not easy to transfer off a centralized network where you trust and rely on something and go to something that you have no idea how it's going to act and what's going to happen with it. So people may realize it, but they might not have what it takes to make that move. Don't think so. Danelle, well, just don't leave if you do become best friends. The arthritis in my shoulders, hands, and back disagree. Mark! No, you feel like you're 21, man. It's all good. Let's get back to business. When Queenie collab? Yes. I should message her. I should message her. I don't know if she follows me. I might have to message Milkshake. I could tag her in something. She might tag me back. We should ask her to hang out sometime. We should. Oh my goodness, Matthew Perry in the chat, baby. What is going on? Who is gaining more from Shiba growth? Devs or the holders at this point? It's a good question. That's a good question. Clearly, the holders are going to be gaining more because they have a much larger stake. They have a much larger stake, man. They have a much larger stake than the developers do. But I think that the developers probably have a bigger incentive for growth in the overall ecosystem than the Shiba holders do. So I think that's why they've got a strong focus on the ecosystem at this point, and it is a much longer term mentality. So that's my take on why they have such a strong focus on the overall workings of Shiba Inu coin, Bone, Leash, Shiboshi, Shi, Wellies, all of that stuff that's out there. There's a new project that they're going to be announcing hopefully next week and all of those things. But yeah, dude, clearly the growth of Shiba is more beneficial to the holders. We got the stank, dude. Everybody's got the stank, man. Sometimes I don't know if it's just me trying to like say the next word that's supposed to come out, or if a part of my brain is actually thinking stank. You know, like I sit here and I talk, and I'm like, yeah, man, yeah, this developers they got this bigger stake in the growth, not stank, because you get stake and growth coming up right next. Strange, dude. I hope that it was just a continuation of stake and growth coming together instead of me actually thinking about stank. So, yeah, I don't know, dude. I don't know. Dunno, we missed you this morning. Yes, we did, y'all stank. I knew it, man. But what is the point of Shiba right now? It's no... Oh, it does have a lot of uses, man. It does have a lot of uses. Not necessarily for metaverse or things like that, but you've got companies all over the globe that are willing to accept Shiba Inu coin as a form of payment. The major thing that you need to remember about Shiba Inu coin is that it was a meme coin, and everybody fell in love with it. Everybody wanted to buy it. Why? Because it was rising in price, and they saw how much money was to be made. Now, that was before there was Metaverse. That's before there was a game. That's before there was a Shibarium. That's before there was Shiboshis. That's before there was literally anything else in the ecosystem. They bought it because it was rising in price. And I think that's what we need to also remain focused on, is that we don't need uses. We just need people to want to buy it for the growth. Some stanky growth, man. Listen, I'll take my growth any way I can get it. I don't care how much it stanks. Oh my gosh, Skunk and Nancy. I don't even know what's going on. Skunk and Nancy, okay, let it burn. Yeah, there you go. Adler, let it burn. We got some Usher in here. The point of Shiba is low trading fees, and that's why a better currency is. That's why it's a better currency, is because so many coins. I don't think people are thinking in a perspective as to when the entire market cap of crypto rises. Be wise. It doesn't really have that low of fees at the moment because of the gas fees on Ethereum, but it will have much lower fees once it moves over to Shibarium and the gas fees are paid in Bone. Anyway, last night, stink, stank, stunk. This dude watches too much Grinch. Grow the stanky strain. Or the stanky leg, man. Or the stanky leg. Being cool, making sense fundamentally. Being cool is definitely better than making sense ever, man. Everybody wants to be cool, including me. You're a mean one, Mr. Rhino. Yes. With the stink, stank, stunk. Cut the strings off the what? So the crabs don't go bungee jump. Yes. Back to the stock market so we can see what's going on over there. Still down after hours for AMC. Shiba Inu coin dropping after hours right now. Sitting at 25.45, giving up some of its earlier gains on the day. And actually, we could be hitting an intraday low right now. I don't know when this goes back to. Last night, yeah. So we were up this morning, 27.41, losing 200 points on the day so far, roughly 10%. 25.37. We are hitting new lows right now. So we're falling through that. Let's see if this is doing the same thing. Yes, Bitcoin also selling off right now. So let's take a look at Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin selling off right here. Man, almost identical. Ridiculous. Even the candles look the same. The same wick and everything. My gosh. Very, very interesting, man. See what happens there. We got Prog slightly up after hours, in $1.27. GameStop 0.1% up after hours. Farmy still doing nothing after hours, sitting there at 1680. Let's bring Bitcoin back up. That's really what I want to watch go along with Shiba Inu coin right there. And we'll just double click on Sundial here. Up 0.18% right now after hours. My goodness. Bitcoin. There it is. To that, I say next comment. Always Next comment, please. Next comment. Guilty of watching The Grinch too much is a compliment, in my opinion. I mean, you got to watch The Grinch every Christmas. You got to, though. I agree with that. Outdoor smiles and indoor frown. Not the first person to say that. The world. Where's Pringleton? Where's Pringleton? Anybody know? Well, crazy. Even as mainstream media are reporting possibly, man. Possibly. We got to see what's going on there. People get angry. Weird times. Always. What's Prague? Penny stock? So Spaniard. Prague is sitting at $1.25 right now. $1.27 when I started at after hours. It is. Devil's advocate, what's the best way to describe Prague? A medical device company? I don't exactly know. So they've got some patents out there that are going to allow them to deliver medication in pill form that couldn't originally be delivered. Okay, whether it was due to toxicity, whether it was strictly injectable beforehand, they've got some new technology that's going to allow them to deliver medication in ways that were previously unavailable. So it's been beaten down in price pretty heavily. It was trading at $6 probably back in November, and now it's trading at $1.20. So really getting beat down, even though they've got some good patent information and some good information coming out there. Manipulated at the least. Bitcoin and Shiba are run by the same algorithm. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people are... I don't know if the main traders are simply trading based on like just their computer system trading or what the deal is, but it is crazy to see any two assets, even if they're as directly related as the crypto market, trading in sync the way that everything does with Bitcoin. Boy, Mark Crypto, I missed something. Prague, save your money. Prague. Save your money. Like, Prague, buy Prague or don't buy Prague. Darkblade, hit the like button. Got your back, Clay. Listen to Darkblade. Did we get 100 likes in here? Please tell me we got 100, guys. Come on. 60? Guys, don't make me beg, but please, 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 please click that like button. I'm driving, so I can't type a huge message, but if you define them as a medical equivalent to inventing the printing press, Prague is to all of humanity what the cotton gin was the game changer. Nice, man. Nice. So, yes, strong advocate for Prague there. Very strong advocate for Prague. So not a big message, very strong message, but yes, they've got some medical technology that could be a very big deal in the implementation of different medicines. Click the like button twice. Don't only do it once. Only do it once. Only do it once, man. You can do it 3 times, but only do it once. It's a bold statement. Spaniard, my man rolls bold. Shiba Army, give this man 100 likes. Hey, let's get it. Slap that like, you silly apes. Do it, man. Slap that like button. 126 people in here and only 60 likes. You guys got to make sure we get up to 100 likes at least. Wolf, Shiba Inu, woofing in here. I like it, man. Thank you for the wolf and the words of encouragement and telling everybody to click the like button. PragerU, okay. Nobody wants to see Claybro beg. I don't even want to see myself beg, man. I don't even want to see myself beg. Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin both turning the corner right now. 37,491 on Bitcoin. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 25.36. Here's the thing that we have to look out for. I'm pretty sure these guys are below support levels. Yes, so with Shiba Inu coin falling back down, it did bounce off this area at 2,300 yesterday. 2,000 to 2,300 is that range of support that we've got here. Bounced off of it yesterday, but seems to be turning. Bitcoin was at its range of support back here, but could be turning again. This is the major line in the sand, man. A 20% decline in Bitcoin from where we're at right now could really turn into trouble if it falls more than that. So 20% decline in Bitcoin. Hopefully we don't wake up to that, but this is my danger zone right here at $30,000 on Bitcoin. Prague is create a holographic doctor. Nice, man. I might go see a holographic doctor. That would be cool. for all his medical awesomeness. This man is begging for likes. Give this man some likes. Do it. Listen to Shiba Inu coin. Look, part 1 of your video, you said something like, we need to give ourselves credit for holding through what we were holding through. Is this equivalent to you guys holding through, is this equivalent to you guys holding when this all started? Chris. I'm going to say no, okay? I'm going to say no. Now, if you were holding it like, if you started to get in at $14 to $17 and you held down to like $5 and then $8, like your gains and losses in AMC would probably be similar. But, dude, if you're looking at the market and the overall situation in stocks, I would say it's much different. When you first started to hold AMC in January, February, March of 2021, stocks were soaring, man. Stocks were soaring. Everybody had stimulus checks. Everybody was buying stocks. Penny stocks were up. Everything was hitting new highs. It was a much different time and much different sentiment buying AMC back at the beginning of 2021. Right now, what we're holding through is literally like, I don't know, March of 2020, okay? Boom. Huge decline in the overall market. Uncertainty. What the heck is this virus going to do? Nobody knows. Things are going to be shut. Are they going to be shut forever? Is this the end? Will things ever recover? What's happening here? So much like panic and so much uncertainty that it seemed like it was just a dire situation. So it's more similar now to what it was back in that fall of 2020. And because of the uncertainty and because of the overall market outlook and what's going to happen next. So I would say, no, it's not similar to AMC at the beginning of 2021. Your gains and losses might be similar, but like overall market sentiment would be much more comparable to 2020 at this point. And, you got to make that judgment too. If you're sitting there March of 2020 and you're like, this is the end, man, we're never going to make it out. Stock market's down 30%. I got to jump ship. I got to get out. I can't do this anymore. I got to give up. I'm going to lose all my money. You sell, and then what do you know, man? Next day, you're back up 5%. Following day, 2%. Following day, 7%. Following day, 5%. Following day, 3%. And all of a sudden, in 2 weeks period, 3 weeks period, you're back to where you were. And it's almost like a 40% gain just took place in the overall market and then continued, boom, soaring to hit brand new highs. So it's usually at the point where you are about to give up, or you do give up, that you're ready to turn the corner. Got in at 14, all in my entire savings account, 10,000, then held through 5. Wasn't easy, but it's chilling. You don't lose unless you sell, and selling makes no sense. You've already wrote it down. It's true, man. It's true. And especially if you believe that it's going to go up. Chris, if I could cheer you up, I would. Just keep your chin up. It's what you can do for now. Facts on that, man. If you're young, you have time to wait. That is true, man. Pretty please. Click that like button for Clay, bro. Listen to Danelle. Pretty please. Afternoon. Nick F. Glad to have you in here for the last 7 minutes, man. Just feeling it because I feel like people are hyping everything up again, and it's a running joke that it's always tomorrow, but I get everything just in my... Oh, dude. Yeah, there are people in that regard. Yeah, I think that we're reverting to this. Like, we need to look at a catalyst. We need to look at a thing that's going to make it happen. Everybody's trying to latch onto hope. Here's the difference, though, okay? And this is just my view on this one, being here on YouTube during this whole thing. Last year, when this was going on, everybody was really looking at Trey and Matt Kors, okay? Everybody was looking at Trey and Matt Kors. And They were looking at the charts every day. They were breaking down technicals. Yes, they were, every time the stock was going down, they were blaming it on shorts and potential naked shorts. How can the stock price go down if everybody is holding the stock? There was no mentality that everybody wasn't holding AMC. Everybody was holding AMC. Nobody was selling it. And therefore, every share that traded on every day was a synthetic share. And, they started looking at dates, man. Got to have a gamma squeeze coming up. Shorts are going to get screwed when this NSCC 0001 or 010 2021 comes out. And there was a lot of expectations. Same deal now. They're not necessarily looking to trade in Mac cores as much. People have kind of, I guess, pushed them aside a little bit. And Trey does, I think, less technical analysis video. Mac Core spends less time focused on AMC, and people are just hateful. But same deal with Lou. Now, trying to run the game with different catalysts, getting people excited, moving, telling people it's going to happen at this time. And that is a very similar feel to holding back in, January, February, March, April, and even May of 2021. Let's have an early. Nick, nice. Yeah, Nick, definitely coming in for the afternoon stream. Nice and early there, man. Nice and early. 400 by Monday. Would love to buy more AMC with that. I'm going with that going in the money. Oh, man. I don't even know where it's at right now. Where's the SPY at? Let's see. Oh, gosh. Below 400 by Monday. Somebody said it was going to be 300 this week. That's not happening. I remember them saying that last week. Oh, man. Here's the deal. You got this 420 level is the equivalent of the NASDAQ. Where's my NASDAQ? Is the NASDAQ at this 1330 level. So we are at major levels of support. I know we finished down here today, and this was just a wick, and we came back up. But support and resistance are ranges. So looking at this, and we see the level of support here and being right in that area. We look at the SPY. We see where we're at right here. Right, it's same deal. This was a wick, and now it's a full candle. And we're right here, okay? It's basically the same deal on both indexes. By Monday, probably not. But I do think that that's kind of your next line. Little hiccup here at 405, but yeah, this 400 level could be pretty significant if this little area right in here is broken on the SPY. I hope, man. I hope we don't have to deal with a breakthrough. Okay. Oh, man, I hope we don't have to break through with a breakthrough on the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ. I hope tomorrow is a rebound day. Let's put it that way. Tomorrow we're rooting for a rebound day. Bouncing, even if it's not like an extended rebound day, we're hoping for a bounce tomorrow. Devil's advocate is a good point, and I get it. They're just being impatient. Seems like everyone has information on why it's close, but nothing's it. Chris, you're going to get that from everybody, man. And I know I'm the most boring of them all, telling you that I don't know when it's going to happen, telling you that they don't know when it's going to happen. And everybody wants to latch on to something, and I'm not giving anybody something to latch on to. So I understand that people could get frustrated with that, but I think it might be for your own good not to latch on to a date like that. Simon tweets, everyone sees that Shib was up 5 million% last year and says, if I bought in January 2021, I'd be a millionaire now, but holding with all the FUD is not easy. So if you're wondering if you or others could have held a whole year around now, and there's your answer. Look around now, and there's your answer. So yeah, Zachariah, man. Zachariah, I can guarantee you that if people bought it, Shiba Inu coin being up, the 5 million% or 40 million%, whatever it was up in 2021, is insane. Okay? There very, 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 very few people would have been able to hold through that. Even if you invested $1,000 and you watched it go to $10,000, you're going to be tempted to take that, man. You're going to be tempted to take that. If you watched it go up to $350,000 in May and then drop back down to $40,000, you would have been very upset, okay? And then you watch it go up to $1 million in like November. You're going to be so tempted to take it as it's green like that yes, people would love to have been able to hold, but it's like that dude, I promise you, that guy that bought $8,000 and held it to $4 billion or $5 billion, whatever it was, in October, November. Dude, I guarantee you that guy was in a coma, man. I guarantee you that guy was in a coma. There's no way that he held, or he completely forgot about it and found his wallet address later. Like, that doesn't make any sense to me. That dude bought it. Unless it's Satoshi or one of these guys, it's the developers, man. That doesn't make any sense to me. Like, oh yeah, maybe it was Satoshi or one of these kids that bought it, and he split it. There's 4 wallets have it now. Now he split it between Queenie, Milkshake, and this Eric dude, right? Now you got me thinking about that, because that doesn't make any sense. That somebody watched $8,000 go to $5 billion. That makes no sense to me. Everyone's telling you to hang from something that isn't load-bearing, though. I'd much prefer your I don't know to the BS of being told, yeah, dude, they're out there, and they're trying to renovate their kitchen, and they're like, yeah, let's knock this wall out, and then let's open the space up. And then like a year and a half down the road, you're laying upstairs in the bed, boom, you come crashing down because your floor joists aren't sitting on anything, and oh, man, that's a mistake. You got to have a load-bearing wall if you're going to be swinging around, dude. I'm going to tell you that right now. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for the super chat. Closing time. Time for you to go to the places that you will be from. God, I got to listen to that song, man. I know it's so bad. It's closing time, though. Outdoor Smile is right, man. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. Let's get some shout-outs going on. And I don't know, let's have some fun this evening. Got videos coming out in 2 hours and 3 hours. Make sure to click the like button on them, share them, whatever you got to do. Thank you, all of you guys, for all the support, for being in here, having fun, and watching the videos and supporting the channel tonight. Thanks, Clay. But why I chose to be part of the bros, because you keep it real. Boom, Chris. Thank you. Nufo. Shout out to you, Mark. Crypto Racketeer. Boom, dabbing on like always, man. Thanks for hanging out. Paul Wright, Johnstontown, Shredda, Danelle, Lauren. Have a wonderful night, Lauren. My goodness, Lauren. I hope you get some good sleep. J Money, what's going on? Gorilla Invictus, Outdoor Smile. Chris, enjoy your evening. Paul, Spaniard, Daniel, John Maxwell, Frodo, Frank, Dunn, Niece, what's going on? Hi to John. Hello to John, man. What's going on, John? Glad to have you in the chat listening right now. Denise, hello to you. Shredda, Darkblade, Justin Schneider, Clay, Gorilla Invictus, man. See you later. Enjoy your night. 2-2 Steel, yo. 222 Missy, Mark, Melomamas, DD214, Nufo, Dunnell. Enjoy your evening. Click that like button. Please do click the like button on the way out. Did you guys get to 100 likes? Did you get to 100 likes? Oh man, I don't even know where I'm at. Did you do 100 likes? Ah, crap. I know I done messed something up now. I'll look at the likes in a minute, but you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.